Shoemaker.
12:23 on this Tuesday afternoon. It's about ready to rain someplace around the valley. We have showers and storms popping up. Some of you will get some little brief downpours. Some of you may stay dry the afternoon, but about half the valley should see some rain today. So keep an eye on the sky. If it looks like it's getting dark off to your east or southeast, or maybe some rain coming your way because that's the direction it's coming from. You can see most of the showers and storms kind of lined up. If you imagine the sea breeze coming in, a little line, it's kind of near the vicinity of about Highway 77 and I-69E. You get near that line or a little ahead of it. That's where the showers and storms are popping up and moving west and northwest across the area. We zoom in and there's some areas of heavier rain still kind of on the east side of Harlingen and passing through parts of San Benito. Some of this rain, as we showed you earlier, coming down at the rates of more than 2 inches per hour, but that's not going to sit there for probably an hour or more to give you tons of rain, but still you might see easily a good inch or more out of some of this area of rain here, and then maybe later on today a few more heavier showers and storms could bring an inch or more of rain in a few spots, but most places getting less than that. But right in the Harlingen area, be watching out for some of the rain getting very close. You see over here be about TSTC, and there's the airport. You can see the runway on the map there right behind it. There it was. So the thunderstorm coming right in toward about the Harlingen Airport area. Some of the rain also around San Benito. We go farther to the north. Most of this passing north of Raymondville, where there was some heavy rain yesterday. We'll show you in a minute, but still anywhere in Williston County could see a shower or storm in the next hour or so. And then in Hidalgo County, the rain just popping up mainly north of Weslaco and north of Donna and Mercedes right now, but most of this still just in the early stages of forming, so there could be more showers and storms as the day goes on. And in Mission, there was a little brief shower popped up and it's mostly fallen apart, but still, if you are in McAllen, Mission, Edinburgh, or southern Hidalgo County, your better chances of a shower or storm would be later this afternoon. So rain chances on the increase today. I guess I should be on this side of the screen. Rain chances increase today up to about 50% this afternoon. Getting more humid over the next several days. Remember, the humidity was quite low over the weekend for June, but it's on a rise right now, and it will be back into the usual humidity, especially later this week. And highs, some areas may kind of drop a little below 90 today when it rains, but I think high temperatures generally back in the 90s, even getting higher into the 90s later this week. Now, I want to flash back to yesterday because to show you even yesterday, there was a couple bursts of some heavier rain, mainly in Williston County, where there was a flood advisory for a while. We could see a repeat of this type of rain somewhere in the valley, just in a few local spots this afternoon. Almost 4 inches of rain on the west side leaving Raymondville on Highway 186, and then surrounding those areas a good 1 to 2 inches of rain kind of in the greenish colors there. So it gives you an idea that there is a lot of moisture in the air. There's a lot of moisture built up, and if you get a slow moving thunderstorm that pulls all that moisture together, you can get a quick burst of maybe 2 or 3 inches or a little more rain in spots. Not everywhere. There's not enough to really get widespread heavy rain going, but there could be some pockets of heavy rain like that in spots this afternoon. So be careful driving. It could come down heavy for a while. Shower or storm today, rain chance up to about 40 or 50%, and that fades away tonight. It should be mainly dry tonight, but tomorrow we kind of get it back there again, at least around 40 to maybe 50% in spots in the afternoon with showers and storms around. So rain chances this week haven't changed the outlook too much. The best chances each day, late in the morning through the afternoon hours through about 6 p.m. That's your best chance, the high point of the rain. Rain chance varies most days, but between about 30 and 50% over the next several days. A little lower as we get toward the weekend. Most places get under an inch, but as you saw on the map there, some places easily can get more than 2 or 3 inches of rain out of a slow-moving storm, while places a few miles away don't get nearly as much. Futuretrack this afternoon shows showers and storms scattered around. Again, by 3 p.m., probably the focus of the rain will be shifting more into Hidalgo County and eventually into Starr County later in the afternoon. You see how the farther east you are, it dries out in the afternoon first, but the farther west you are, it still could be a little rainy through near sunset. But a shower storm possible today, and then by tonight, pretty much everyone's dry after sunset and partly cloudy overnight. Then tomorrow, same thing again. In the morning, a few showers and storms could begin to build up and move west across the area. It may not be as much as the day in some areas, but there's still that chance out there tomorrow afternoon and even into Thursday as well. Again, not every place gets rain each day, but during the daytime, showers and some storms build up, mostly in the afternoon hours, and then fade away in the evening. If you are making plans for the weekend coming up, summer begins on Saturday. Father's Day is on Sunday. They will be heating up more with highs well into the 90s. The rain chances, remember, they're 50% today. They start to drop some over the weekend, closer to 20 or 30%, meaning less areas get rain. And your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Temperatures slowly climbing this week. Highs around 90 today, 91 tomorrow, 93 by Thursday. You see we're up in the mid to upper 90s by the weekend, 96 on Sunday for Father's Day, and 97 early next week. There is a chance for a shower or storm each day, but your better chances are earlier in the 7 days there. Today and tomorrow and Thursday, I think by the weekend and even early next week, we're probably dropping down more around 20 or 30%. But each day there is still a chance through next week, and even looking beyond that, maybe small chances continue for a while. We'll keep tracking those changes ahead in your First Warn 5 forecast right here on Channel 5 News at noon.